Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the P129BK LED flashlight. Super bright, rechargeable, water resistant. This features a IPX6 water rating, which is protect against high pressure water stream, but not necessarily submersible. You can't like take this underwater. All right, so the first thing in the box is we have a manual, shows you what's in the box and precautions. Probably really bright, so yeah. Okay, this has a charger, a charge port as well. You can, I believe that you could use this as to charge your devices as well. So it has this, does have this cord, has this nice nice sheath here, extra thick belt strap here for that, and a little loop there. Also has, so if you do have a thicker belt, it has this one with a snap and Velcro on there, and also has this one as well that's like stitched in there, so that's cool for different things, or you can hook it on there. So cool holster for your flashlight, that's handy. Okay, this can be run with this as well. It's a battery adapter, so you can put 3 AAA batteries in there and run your flashlight on that. All right, here is this, and check that bad boy out. That looks pretty sweet. It's got a serious magnification on here, and what I like is that this is adjustable. Oh, you can see that, just gonna really focus that LED. That's gonna be pretty crazy. And we have our button here to turn it on. I believe this USB port doesn't say in or out. I'm gonna check the instructions real quick, because I think charging, connect USB charger with light and charger takes about 4 to fully charge. But where's the port? Thought I read about you could also charge your other things off this. So sweet, comes with a little keychain here too. It's actually pretty bright, so that's a nice little bonus there they didn't have to do. Sometimes it's super handy to have a little light on your keychain, and it actually puts out pretty good light there for a little bitty thing. All right, let's check out this battery. Wow, that's a serious battery. This is a 26650 3.7 volt. It's 5,000 mega amp hours. So yeah, you can use this as a battery pack too, to kind of charge your phone and stuff from here. So that's pretty sweet. We're gonna see if this battery has any charge before we put it in here. All right, so if you want to remove this as first, if you're trying to get your big battery in there, this is going to be in there. You use this sleeve if you're going to use the AAA batteries in there, so you would use that like that. But we're not going to. We're going to use this beast battery here. Looks pretty stinking burly. Okay, so actually it says plus and minus. I want to just make sure that I'm putting this in correctly. Okay, yes, plus is right here on the front, and the flattest portion of the battery is going to go towards the back. So the plus is down, the very flattest part of the battery goes towards the top, and that is going on there nicely. So it's not a super big flashlight, but it's holds nicely. It feels like it's got some good grip. It's got the ridges here on the side, and this also features this grid around the top here, so it protects your lens. It sticks out a little higher than the lens. That really bells out there. All right, let's see if it's got a charge on here. Oh yeah, whoa, it does. And let's see, that is like, all right, let's see if we can focus this. That is just on 1, and that is a pretty insane focus point there, guys. Okay, there's the strobe. Okay, maybe that is the brightest. It's got the four lights come on there. And I have to read the instructions here. I'm gonna try this out at nighttime too, so we can really. Some of these you can double tap and have like, it's got a strobe feature. And there's an SOS right there. So 1, and look at that is like insane focusing there. It's pretty crazy. But throws out a lot of light here too. So just turn that on. It's just like a nice halo of light there in the room here. So it's pretty cool. Just shine it up on the ceiling. The room gets decently bright. So it's throwing out quite a bit of lumens here. And one thing I did want to try is if I can charge my my phone on here. So 1 second. All right, there we go. I have it plugged in right here. And as you can see, 90%, 46 minutes until full. So it's charging off this battery. So that's pretty sweet. Definitely handy if you're like camping or something like that and you need a little charger for your phone. It's a stick flashlight and charge your phone or whatever you need to do on that also. So pretty sweet there. I'm going to go ahead and charge this to full. We're going to take it out at night and show you guys what this thing can really do. Okay, so just show this real quick on the charging. Each light represents 25%. And once it's fully on, that means that's charged. And as you see, that last light is that 75% one there. And once that is fully on, you're at 100%. So yeah, it won't take too long to charge this up. And then show you guys what I can do. Also, I forgot to point out, it has this nice little lanyard on here too. It's adjustable and you just pop that off too. So that's pretty cool. All right, my friends. So this is in a room here. And it throws out a pretty good circle of light here. And then obviously, if you want to concentrate that a lot, you can really focus the light beam there, and that's super bright. So let's take it outside and then see. But this is maximum. It just makes a nice little room brightness there. So that's actually pretty bright. And let's go outside here. All right, so this is outside. And actually pretty bright. See if I can focus on my fence. There's a cat there. You're not my cat. All right, so there's the fence. And this one is like super concentrated, that beam right there. And that brightens that up. Let me try to go a little bit of a darker spot here. All right, so there's the side of my house. And you can see as you concentrate this beam, it just makes like a little spotlight that's like super bright. You can see it back there on the fence back there. That brings it in. Let's see, there's a tree across the way there. You can see that up on the tree there. It makes a nice little beam that's super concentrated. Not sure how far I can shine that light that you guys can actually see something. So there's some trees over there. Probably, I don't know how far away that is. I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not because of the light pollution right next to me here. But that's pretty gnarly beam there. There's on the house and there's behind it, that tree thing. So yeah, definitely can throw some light out there. You can see it from far away off. And then up in the sky has a nice little, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but puts a nice little, it's like a spotlight up in the air there. Pretty cool. And there's the trees over there. You guys can actually see that. That's quite a ways away. All right.